be wise to knock off the talk about me being old.
Old and wise.
Watch it there, Maria.
Old, old, wise, wise.
How old does she think I am? Does she think I wrote the book of Proverbs?
Anyway, Proverbs 14:16 says, one who is wise is cautious and turns away from evil. That's you, Granny.
Well, thank you, Maria. You know, there is a proverb that reminds me of you, Maria.
Really?
Yep. Proverbs 3, verses 5 and 6 says, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not unto your own understanding.
And in all your ways submit to him, and he will make your path straight. I know that one too.
You are always reading your Bible, Maria, and that makes you closer to God. Turns out you might be wiser than old Granny.
You really think so? Thanks so much, Granny. Hey, Henry, you don't talk very much, but you know, that's wise too. Proverbs 12:15 says, the way of a fool is right in his own eyes, but a wise man listens to advice. That's you, Henry. You're always listening. You're such a good listener. Listen, listen, listen. Yeah, that's Henry.
Yeah, Henry, you are a good listener. Well, we'll see you later, Henry.
Oh, yeah, we'll see you later, Henry. Come on, Granny.
Okay.
Don't you think Henry's a great listener?
Yeah, he don't say much, but he's a good listener.
Shh. Listen. You're a listener, Henry, not a talker.